Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP Populating internal tables. So in internal tables, populating includes features such as selection, insertion and append. So insert statement. Insert statement is used to insert a single line or a group of lines into an internal table. So the syntax to add a single line to an internal table. Insert work area iTab into internal tab index num. In this index, insert statement inserts a new line in the internal table. A new line can be inserted by using the work area into expression before the internal table parameter. When the work area into expression is used, the new line is taken from the work area iTab work area and inserted into the internal tab table. However, when work area iTab into expression is not used to insert a line, the line is taken from the header line of the internal table. When a new line is inserted in an internal table by using the index clause, the index number of the lines after the inserted line is incremented by 1. If an internal table contains index num -1 lines, the new line is added at the end of the table. When the SAP system successfully adds a line to an internal table, size RC variable is set to 0. So in the example, do loop appends 4 rows containing the numbers 1 through 4 to it. After each insert statement is executed, the system re-indexes all rows below the one inserted. This introduces overhead when you insert rows near the top of a large internal table. So if you need to insert a block of rows into a large internal table, prepare another table with the rows to be inserted and use insert lines instead. When inserting a new row inside a table inside of a table 1 doesn't affect the internal table instantly. It actually becomes effective on the next loop was. While inserting a row after the current row, the table is re-indexed at the end loop. Site tab X is incremented and the next loop processes the row pointed to by site tab X. For instance, if you are in the second loop pass, you insert a record before row 3. When end loop is executed, the new row becomes row 3 and old row 3 becomes row 4 and so on. Site tab X is incremented by 1 and the next loop pass processes the newly inserted record. Append statement. The append statement is used to add a single row or line to an existing internal table. This statement copies a single line from a work area and insert it after the last existing line in an internal table. Append record for iTab to internal table. In this syntax, record for iTab expression can be represented by the work area iTab, which is convertible to a line type or by the initial line clause. If the user uses a work area, the SAP system adds a new line to the internal table and populates it with the content of the work area. After each append statement, SiteTabX variable contains the index number of the appended line. Appending lines to standard and sorted tables with a non-unique key works regardless of whether the lines with the same key already exist in the table. In other words, duplicates entries may occur. However, a runtime error occurs if the user attempts to add a duplicate entry to a sorted table with a unique key, or if the user violates the sort order of sorted table when in line state. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Populating internal table. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.